Have you ever watched a viral video and thought, how did this blow up? Was it luck? Or was there a formula behind it? What if you could take any viral video, copy its style, flow, effects, pacing, and visuals, and recreate it for yourself without starting from scratch? And what if that tool came from ByteDance? Today, I'm testing Pippit, a powerful AI video platform that can clone the creative DNA of any video using a reference. Let's see if this is really the fastest way to create viral videos. Pippit, a ByteDance product, can now clone the creative DNA of any video and lets you recreate viral videos from an online reference. Let's start with viral social media animations. This is the reference video. Notice the creative idea, camera movement, lighting, and pacing. I uploaded this video into Pippit's reference video feature. In seconds, Pippit analyzed the visual style, motion, timing, and overall creative structure. And this is the clone result. Same creative feel, same viral style animation, same scroll-stopping visuals, but this is a brand new video, not a copy. This is what Pippit means by cloning the creative DNA. Now let's move to cinematic videos. This first clip is the reference. Look at the color, grading, lighting, framing, and emotional tone. I uploaded it into Pippit. Pippit analyzed the cinematic language, camera flow, transitions, pacing, and mood. And here's the cloned cinematic result. Same cinematic vibe, same emotional impact, same professional look. Perfect for lifestyle creators, filmmakers, and storytellers. Ads and UGC Pippit is also built for product ads and UGC campaigns. This is the reference product ad. Clean lighting, strong product focus, and a clear hook. After uploading it, Pippit understood the ad structure, how the product is introduced, shown, and highlighted. And this is the cloned result. Same premium look, same ad flow, same conversion-focused style. This is ideal for brands, creators, and agencies making UGC ads at scale. Now, let's talk about educational content. This is the reference educational video. Once uploaded, Pippit analyzed the teaching style, pacing, environment, camera movement, and storytelling. And this is the cloned result. Same calm, engaging learning vibe, but with new visuals and scenes. Perfect for explainer videos, tutorials, and educational storytelling. Why this matters? Most creators struggle to make their next viral video. But viral videos aren't luck. They follow a proven structure. With Pippit, you don't guess anymore. You simply reference what already works and recreate it. CTA, urgency. Plus, call to action. Now is the perfect time to create your next viral video. Sign up for Pippit. It's free to use and you get new credits every day. Whether you're creating viral content, cinematic videos, product ads, UGC, or educational videos, Pippit helps you recreate what works faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.